So welcome everyone. Good evening to all of you. So today we will see the analysis of SGX Nifty जिसको कि सभी रिटेल ट्रेडर्स रात दिन ट्रैक करते हैं. So देखिए ये investing.com का SGX Nifty का चार्ट है. This is chart of SGX Nifty from investing.com. In Friday session we made a dozy type candle in the daily time frame. So we will move to tradingview.com for our analysis on SGX Nifty. Okay, so this is the daily time frame chart of SGX Nifty in TradingView. Now I will let you see some analysis which is done by me. So first of all, wait a minute. Yeah, this. On 25th of March 2020, 25th of March 2020, our SGX Nifty took a support at this area. It was around 7,500 to 7,800. You can check the digit figure. It is coming from 12,000 approx level, and it took support at 7,500. After that, it made a swing high, and then it take a support again at this trend line only. These two trend line are the support area of SGX Nifty from March 2020. From March 2020 SGX Nifty की ये support trend lines है. These two parallel trend lines are the support areas of SGX Nifty from March 2020. So I will let you see something. यहाँ से हमने bounce लिया. We took a bounce from here and made a high. Again took a support here. Again made a new high. Again took a support at this trend line. Again made a new high. And the price action going on. Again took a support at this trend line. Again made a new high. Again took a support at this trend line. Again made a new high, and then price action going on, and again took a support at this trend line only. And we will move further. Wait a minute. Now here we have taken a support. Here we have taken a support. It is going and again taken a support. Again it crosses its high, and again took a support at this trend line. Again a good price action going on, and again it made a new high, and again took a support at this trend line. So here what is happening, let us check that. Here we can clearly see that after around from March 2022, this was the November time, we have taken a very support at these two parallel trend lines. But on this date we broke the first trend line. It was okay, no problem. We took a support at this second trend line. But after consolidating for 3 days at this parallel channel, we broke the support range of SGX Nifty for the first time from March 2020. We broke and with a very huge red candle. After that we managed to trade between below this trend line only, below the support area of SGX Nifty. We traded for about maximum days, for about 20 to 25 days like that. But here we have seen a good upside rally in this January month, and now we are at again the support range. So once a support breaks, it becomes a resistance. Once these two supports have been broken, these two will act as resistance now. So the first support, which was this one, it did not respected it as resistance now. But the second support was support, it is taking it as a resistance. You can clearly see that once the price goes up but again closes down, and again it touches it and again closes down. And third day we again made a lower high. So it is clearly being seen that this trend line is now a resistance which was previously a support for SGX Nifty. Only closing above this trend line, SGX Nifty will move upside. So what is this range? We can check it. This is a range of 18,450 to 18,500. If SGX Nifty closes above 18,500, be clear, 18,500. If SGX Nifty closes above 18,500, then market will be buy in dip. Till now it is not. It is clearly, I have told you from various times that for now market is not in buy and dip. If SGX Nifty closes, then Nifty or SGX Nifty, I am talking about SGX Nifty, then SGX Nifty will become buy in dip and it will move towards more high soon. But as we can see that we are taking this trend line, support trend line, as a resistance. It is very clear to all of you. Now the something, another analysis I can show you, that this trend line from 27 December we are taking support on this trend line made. On this trend line we are taking support. You can clearly see that we took a support, made a high, made a swing high, again consolidated for one day, and again made a swing high, again took a support here, again made a new high, again took a support, again made a new high, again took a support. But you can see the Friday's candle, it is below this, means it has closed below this trend line. It has closed below this support trend line, which was a very bad sign in SGX Nifty. So it means it can come to this area first. What is this area? This one is 18,130. Means on Monday I am expecting SGX Nifty to touch minimum 18,130. So so my target in SGX Nifty, I will write it down. First target is 18,130. Second target is 17,830. Third target is 17,620, and final target is, I have not shown it here. This is also the one target of me, and fourth target is here, 16,900. Yes, this is also expected. We can touch this also if some bad things happen. There is another concept which I will let you know everyone later on, how we can come here and why we can come here. Accurate figure is 17,003. There is another concept of why we can come here, but I will let you see all later on. So these four are the targets of SGX Nifty for the coming days. You can note it down, so you will be clear what is the target of SGX Nifty and how I have done a analysis on SGX Nifty. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.